Hi everyone, this is Vikas and today I am going to show you how to connect to Google Cloud SQL instance remotely through phpmyadmin client. So these are the four steps we need to follow. The first step is creating Google Cloud SQL instance, assigning IP address to the instance and authorizing our network to Google Cloud SQL. As we can see, this is the phpmyadmin client running on the local host, and the server information currently it is showing is the local MySQL server running at localhost. After we have followed the tutorial, we will be able to see the Google Cloud SQL Server instance IP address here. So let us start with the first step. This is the Google Cloud console. We will go to Cloud SQL, create instance. We will choose first generation. Instance name, we will choose instance 4. We will assign an IPv4 address to this instance, and we will authorize our network to be able to connect remotely to the Google Cloud SQL instance we are creating. So we need to add our public IP address here. So we will find out what is our public IP address. Copy it, paste it here. Now everything is fine, and we can now create the instance. When the instance will be created, it will be assigned this IP address, and then we will move to the next step. Yeah, now the instance is created. The step 2 is creating a new database. Sorry, it is database, and a new user in Cloud SQL. Let us create a new database, name it db1. Add, it is added here. And we need to also create a user that can connect remotely. Users, create user account. Host name, we will allow any host because we are connecting from our local uh, network. Create. Now we will move on to step 3, add new server in config.inc.php file. This file is located where we install our XAMPP. Go to XAMPP, go to phpmyadmin, go to config. Here it is config.inc.php file. Now we can see the first server. This first server is information about the credentials and other information about the MySQL server running at localhost. Now what we will do, we will add the authentication information about the Cloud SQL server instance we just created. So the host address is this, the IPv4 address that has been assigned. Sorry. Username is Vikas1369. Password is Shivas. No, that is good. Now we will refresh our phpmyadmin. Now we can see the server instance we just created here. Now we can access it remotely through phpmyadmin client. The IP address you see here, this is the same IP address here. And this is the db1 database we created. We will create a new table in it. This is just for example. Save it. Now the database has been created. If we want, we can insert values in this database. You see this table, it is showing under db1, the database we created. So we created a customer table, we inserted a row in it, and with that we are done with this tutorial. We have followed all the 4 steps. Thank you very much for watching this video.